Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can add a PPT to your Wix website. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on Wix.com and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the top, as you can see guys, you're going to find the option to create a new folder, and right next to it, you're going to find the option to create a new site. In the center of your screen, you're going to find all of the sites that you have on Wix. So right now, go to the site you want to edit, have your mouse over it and click on Select and Edit Site. Once you do that, just wait for your dashboard to load. And then once you're here in your dashboard, just go to the left side of your screen and then you're going to find all these sections. In the bottom, you're going to find the option to edit your site. So go ahead and click on Edit Site and then you're going to be redirected to this tab right here. So once you're here in this tab, just wait for this tab to load. And then once loaded, this is how it will look like. So basically, guys, this is the Wix website editor. If you go here to the left side of your screen, you're going to find all of these tools that will help you to design and customize your site. Here you're going to find the option to add elements. You can add sections. You can right here add pages and menus and so on. So right now, go to add elements. And then here you're going to find text, image, button, strip, and so on. So, for example, if you want to add a PPT file, just go here to button. And after that, just go to document button. And here, as you can see, guys, you can add a button for docs file, for Excel, PPT, PDF, ODT, and an attachment. So right now we're going to add a PPT button. So just drag it like this. And then as you can see, guys, this is how it will look like. Once you add it, you need to upload your PPT file. Click on upload media, and then you can upload either from your computer, you can upload from a URL, your Wix account, and so on. So for example, if you click on upload from computer, you can browse here for the file, or you can just drag it directly. And then once you add this, click on add to page, and then it will be linked to this button. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.